Welcome back to BRS here for March the 14th here on a Monday. I've been a little bit slack on doing some videos. Most of my viewers that follow me and Sammy know that the crisis we're in with fighting the nasty cancer, and it goes on and on. So since January 1, we have been really slack around the shop and stuff. We did have, the Milwaukee Portable saw that we got and we showed from that estate sale. In the last video I had, I was doing a little bit of, modifications to it. And this evening, finally got out in the shop for just a short few, 20, 30 minutes. Full-time care, keeping her comfortable. Doctors seem to drag on, but I understand that because America, the world is full of cancer, and I got to learn how to be more patient. I am not a patient person, and anybody that has family members or spouses or children with fighting, life-threatening terminal cancers such as we're going through, you just got to focus. So today's video is about the Milwaukee saw, and hopefully I can zoom in a little bit here without getting my fingers in the way. And this is the adapter here, 6061 aluminum. This piece here, let's see if we can get around here a little better, was made and molded off the, the arm. And this is a support to the front of the saw. And it was like this. Now, of course, I mentioned before, when we got that out of the back of that tailgate, this saw was so heavy that she couldn't hold on to her end, and I had to turn loose, and it snapped this off. Now, this is really, I've already brought this up before, non-weldable aluminum cast. So I come up with this method here. If we can get down in here to it. Took this block, and we'll pull the pin. When this saw's down, this would be the same thing as like right here. Now, this was at a cant. And if you look at those tables that are for sale from Milwaukee and stuff, this little chintzy arm is very fragile, and it goes against the casting of the front nose right here. And all it does is support it. Why in the world didn't they support off the big pillar? This would not have happened. And now I've got this in, it's all dialed in. I can take this stove bolt and adjust it out against this part of the saw when the frame comes in here, and lock it off. Very easy, because that's 7 millimeter, and then this is a 7/16. Jam it. Now, the reason that I see a star right here is it will swivel. I've got enough elliptical milling in here to swivel this if I have to. I don't think I want to have to. I have not mounted this yet. So let's back this off here just a little bit, and let's put bolts in it. And I'm going to just adjust this. I've got me some cuñas. In Texas, Mexico, you call these cuñas. So when I set this down on here, I don't do any damage. Let's see if you can focus in here. Now, these are really nice saws. I mean, super saws. And we put the old big Allen bolt in here. I'm going to make this as short as we can. And when it fits in that cog, that's about as good as, well, as good as we can get. Support-wise. I know you're looking at my old big old white hair. No, I'm not becoming a hippie anymore. It's just I need to go have time to go get a haircut. And that has not happened. Yep. I sure miss the bride because she'll be out here on this video and helping me get this thing mounted. But that's not going to happen for a long, long time. All right, snug this up. Now, I don't know if you can see this or not, but down here on the bottom, right here, we can get my finger down here, where the stem comes down off of this saw. This is the stop. I went ahead and drilled this and put a really nice pin in here, because before this thing, you know, eat out the bed up in here, and he was depending, or whoever, Milwaukee and them, they were depending just to make a wedge. So I put a stop. So this thing comes down and hits that stop, and it will not eat into the bed any longer on these cast beds. And let's get this up here a minute. Slide these blocks in. Get around the corner. And this right here, like I say, 7mm. I'm not giving you a good angle on it, I'm sorry. Let's see if we can't get you a good picture of this thing. We'll pull this camera out and get it around here. But right here, this stove bolt could use a little rubber on it. And I'll probably do that. She's jammed there now, and she's supported over here. And then there you can see that pin. You know, just a light drill in there about 3/8 to a ½ inch. And she stopped, new blades on, new rubbers. And the block is really supported here off the big main pillar. And then I'll jam this. But I'm not going to do all that tonight. But now I've got a 7mm going here. I can get out there, take the tension here off this arm. And, you know, we hope that this little video will help somebody else that's got one of these tables. You can see it's setting up just a hair above. So we're going to do a little bit of adjustment with this. On the other side, though, if I run a straight edge, it's cutting all the way straight through. And then previously, we had to come in here and mill this out, and not trying to take care of it to make it pretty, but just to clean it up. So Bear's Rod Shop, let's zoom this thing back. With old whiskers. Y'all please give us good comments down there below. We sure appreciate them, and give old Sammy a thumbs up, and let's pray that good Lord above will spare her for many more years. You know, after 11.5 years of that first battle, it's tough. To all my subscribers and viewers, we really appreciate the comments that are coming in and the help and the support. So we're going to be on probably a long year battle with this. Going to go in, get a PET scan on Friday. I mean, I don't know how much more testing. Harvard's got the biopsy. No, we're not celebrities. When Harvard gets your biopsy, something is really critical that Texas couldn't figure out. Went down to MD Anderson with that about a week and a half ago, the biopsy, and then now over to Harvard. And so I'm waiting on oncology to tell us if it's small cell or whatever. I am going to post a link on this video to a gentleman that is taking his own care into hands, and he survived when they told him to go home to hospice. Make your goodbyes good. That was 2017. And Joe Tippins, I'm going to put a link down there. Anybody that has family members that has cancer and they say to go home and say your goodbyes, don't give up. And we're not giving up, and we're going to go in. It's called benfenazine. It is, and I won't say this on YouTube, it is for animals. We're going to do everything we can to keep old Sammy in this shop and finish up the glop and the projects and raise grandchildren and keep on loving this old Papa Bear and family and being on YouTube. But I'm going to put that link in there. Give me some comments on it after you see it. And, I'm going to get a bunch of probably negatives off this. But you know what? It saves a lot of lives, and it's, yes, not made really for humans. It's the medical pharmacies. They want to make trillions. They want to make millions, and this stuff costs less than $5 at any local feed store, and we have got to give it a go. Bears Rod Shop, we're out of here. Love all my subscribers and viewers. And please leave comments below. We will appreciate it. And prayers are welcome. We're not, big. Never mind. We are praying people, but we're not big old, asking for any donations. Don't send no donations. Good Lord's going to be on our side, hopefully, through this. Come back and visit. We're out of here.